Gotta run, run from the aliens, I think. Oh no, it's a dead end with holes. Oh no. Oh no, help me. Hi, I'm Tree. I wanna ask you a question. Come on, let me ask you a question. What do you want, you stupid mushroom? I'm not a mushroom, I'm a toad. My name is Toad. Whatever. What's your question? What's your name? Springtrap. Springtrap, what? Okay. Your name is Springtrap. Okay. What color is what is your eyebrows attached to? My head. What color is the sky? Blue. What's the opposite of down? Up. You know what I said? Springtrap's head blew up. Okay, I'm gonna go teleporting. Wow, that was pretty talented. He disappeared. Well, whatever. Wait a second. There's no one oops, the camera. Wait, isn't there anyone behind me? I guess not. What's that noise? What the? Huh? Why do I look dressed like this? Like I'm going out for a journey. Now let's go to the light. Light. Oh, it's so bright. There we go. I feel so sudden. I feel so weird. Ow. Well, that was a sudden fall. Incoming message from Freddy Fazbear. Answer or deny? Answer, please. Here is the message. What does it mean by teleport me? Teleporting now. Uh-oh, I feel weird. I feel so weird again. Huh? Why is it all dark? It's all dark. Why is it all dark? I don't know why, but it's all dark. It's scary. There's like no color or anything. What's that noise? Wait, what do I see in the... Is that... Oh no, it can't be. It's like Luigi's Mansion. No, I hate that game. It's so stupid and boring. Help me. How am I going to stay in contact with Freddy? I think I'm never going to be back there again. Yeah, I don't think so. Huh. Where's that noise coming from? I'm going to check on the ground. Ooh, it's a little thingamajiggy. Would you like to answer the call or deny? I like the answer. Springtrap, can you read me? Okay. If you are hearing this message from me, it's that I got to a different room. You can't really see that much. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fix the camera so you can't, yeah. But just remember, your mission is to get all the ghosts in the mansion. Okay? So yeah. Bye. Message ended. Well, that's weird. Well, better take this with me. Oof. wait, should I go under there? Nah, let's just go put this somewhere. Under where? Nothing. Yeah, find it. There you go. Safe and sound. No one can see it, not even the viewers. Time to go. I'm so scared of this mansion. It's like weird. And oh no, is that another boo? How do you turn this thing on? I mean, super neat. Awesome, I can do that now. Yay, I learned how. To onward. Actually, there's nowhere other place to go. So, over there. Oh, wait. Over here. Over there. Again. No, wait, I should keep on exploring this place. So, yeah. Over here! I'm getting bored of saying this! Whoa, it's the door, but I'm really small! Wait, so am I in just one room? I think that's it. How is the door that big? Usually it isn't that big. Well, there's only one way to find out. Probably there's a magic secret in a door. Ah! That hurt. I'll be back after I'm okay. Oh, I'm back, and I still sort of hurt. Okay, time to go. This thing has a message, I bet. You have one new message from Freddy Fazbear. Would you like to answer it or deny? I would like to answer it, please. Is this okay if I walk in? Okay. This camera doesn't really work that well anymore. I just got it onto a purple thingy, I guess. Well, hello, Springtrap. If you're seeing this message, I'm just telling you, there's not that much ghost rating yet, but you will be soon. So I'm gonna teleport you to where I am. Got it? I'm gonna flick the lever now on my right. Is this okay if I walk in? Okay. This camera doesn't really work that well anymore. I just got it onto a purple thingy, I guess. Well, hello, Springtrap. If you're seeing this message, I'm just telling you, there's not that much ghost rating yet, but you will be soon. So I'm gonna teleport you to where I am. Got it? I'm gonna flick the lever now on my right.